In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Nordvpn. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy, secure your internet connection, or access content from around the world, getting started with Nordvpn is a straightforward process. So, let me guide you through the setup in just a few minutes. First, we'll need to head over to the Nordvpn website. You can find it by doing a quick search or by typing in nordvpn.com/download in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll see an invitation to download the VPN software. This page hosts the link to get the fastest VPN app, perfectly suited for your needs. Next up, you'll want to log in. Spot the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your Nordvpn account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. This will only take a few moments, and it is essential for accessing all the features Nordvpn has to offer. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be redirected to your account overview. This is a central dashboard where you can manage all your Nordvpn products and subscriptions. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this space, as it'll be helpful for any future updates or changes you may need to make. On this dashboard, find your way to the Download section. You can usually navigate to this by spotting a download button or link, prominently displayed for easy access. This is where the magic begins, as you're just a few clicks away from securing your online presence. Next, click on the More Options link. This will present you with various Nordvpn versions and options to cater to different devices and operating systems. Click on the Nordvpn option and another menu will open, allowing you to select your specific device. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, or even mobile devices, there's a version available for you. Now, select your device. This choice is crucial because the download needs to be compatible with your hardware and system. Once selected, the download process should start automatically. Should it not, you might need to hit a download button one more time. And there you have it. You're now downloading Nordvpn, taking significant steps toward a more secure and private internet experience. Once your download completes, follow the installation prompts specific to your device to finish setting up Nordvpn. After installation, open the app, log in using your account credentials, and you're all set to explore the internet with enhanced security and freedom. And that's how easy it is to install and use Nordvpn. Enjoy the newfound peace of mind and virtual freedom it offers, and stay safe online.